In today's video, I'm going to be discussing whether or not eBay is too competitive to start selling on in 2020. I get a lot of comments and a lot of DMs saying, Sam, we've seen your videos about how to find hot selling products, but isn't it a bit too hard to start selling? So in today's video, I'm going to be letting you know my thoughts on this. If you find any value in the video, don't forget to hit the like button as it helps me out in a big way. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss the weekly videos I'm going to be releasing helping you with your eBay and Shopify business. Comment what you think of the video at any point. If there's any points that I say that you don't like, that you do like, comment it down below. Let's get a discussion going. All right, let's not waste any more time. Let's get right into the video. So as we all know, eBay can be a competitive marketplace, but there's certain things that you should know so that you have a greater chance of seeing success on eBay, especially as a beginner. One of the most important things that I teach on this channel is building a brand on eBay. Try to not sell a bunch of random products. Try to center your store around a specific niche or category. So if you're looking to sell within the pet category, what you should do is make sure the word pet or dog or cat is mentioned somewhere within your eBay username or eBay store name. This way, any customer that's coming along to your store is more likely to buy from you because you're going to be seen as a specialist within this particular category. Also, make sure that your store is branded in terms of logo, your listing template is branded and customized. Try to center your whole store around whatever products you're looking to sell. It's always good to center your store around a specific niche. This way, you can charge whatever you want. So I just want to show you a quick example of what I mean when I say brand your stores in a specific way. So I've just gone to ebay.co.uk and I've typed in dog harness. So I'm just going to scroll down and find a store that meets my criteria of what I'm talking about. So if I click on this listing here. Alright, so straight away, if we look at the company name, which is located right here, we can see that the company name is Huggle Pets and they've got the word pets within their company name. Any customer that clicks on their store is going to know exactly what they sell. If I scroll down to their listing, they've got their logo at the top. And as you can see from their logo, it's got a little dog paw right there. Throughout their whole store, they're conditioning their customer to know that this is the company that you need to buy from if you're looking for any product for your pet. Now I'm going to click into Visit Shop. Alright, so when we're looking at their storefront, we can see again that they have their logo right there. Scroll down. It says right here, welcome to our pet store. We stock everything your pet desires. Again, everything is centered around pets. They've got images of cats, rabbits, dogs, birds, fish, and even a little mouse. All types of animals, reptiles. So if I was looking for something for my pet, this is the place that I will come to. So I hope that kind of makes sense to you now. Let's jump right back into the video. There's a lot of customers out there looking for high quality products, and as long as you position yourself as the authority within this particular category, you're more likely to see success. Let's move on to the next point. All right, so moving on to the next point, one of the most important things that you need to be aware of when it comes to doing your product research is the sell-through rate. So I've spoken about the sell-through rate in a lot of my product research videos. So what the sell-through rate actually is, it shows you how likely you are to make a sale if you sell this particular product using that particular keyword in Terapeak. So for example, if we go back to Terapeak and we type in Bluetooth earbuds, once we've typed in Bluetooth earbuds, we select all the date ranges, etc., as I've previously discussed. What you need to do is look at the sell-through rate. Now, if the sell-through rate is, for example, 100%, that means that if you sell that particular product using that particular keyword, you've got a 100% chance of selling that product. Whereas if the product is only 10%, that means 10% of the sellers that listed this particular product were successful in selling the product, whereas the other 90% were not successful in selling it. This is why I always talk about the sell-through rate and why it's important to look at it. And the closer it is to 100, the more likely you are to have success with that particular product. This is why I believe selling on eBay is not that competitive, because if you do the proper keyword research and you've done all your checks to make sure that this product is selling well by looking at the sellers that are selling it, the industry, the category details, the product research and the sell-through rate, from there you'll be able to check whether or not you'll be successful in selling it. So when it comes to me doing my product research for my own products, a good sell-through rate is between ideally 70 to 100%. But sometimes if I know that I've got the skills to sell a particular product and it's only at 50%, I will still import that product and sell it myself on my own stores. So these are the small things that you need to look at when it comes to selling on eBay. You need to make sure that you do all the checks, all the product research, and then from there you'll be able to see that a product might seem like it's competitive. As long as you've done the proper checks to make sure you know you'll be able to sell it, it doesn't matter how competitive that product is, you'll still be able to see success within that product. Another thing you need to bear in mind is just because there's 1,000 sellers selling a particular product, it doesn't mean that there's not a million active customers looking for that particular product. Never think that you won't be able to sell a particular product just because there's so many sellers selling it, all right? Hope that makes sense. Another common question that I get every single day is the fact that Alibaba's prices are too high when they go to the Alibaba website to check for a particular product, and that sellers on eBay are selling it for a lot cheaper than they'll be able to get it for. What I would say to this is that don't just go by the price on Alibaba. Suppliers on Alibaba set a certain price. A lot of sellers on Alibaba list a particular price. When it comes time for you to contact the sellers, 9 times out of 10, they're gonna reduce the price that you see on the website. So always contact them first. Don't feel like you can't sell a product just because the price is listed at a certain price on Alibaba's website. Negotiate with them, see if you can get it cheaper. Show them that you're interested in selling the product, and they're more likely to reduce the prices for you. So that's another point that you need to be aware of. Another thing you need to do to also thrive within a competitive category is to make sure your feedback is as high as possible. Try to not let your feedback slip too much. Try to not accumulate any negative feedbacks if possible. If you can keep your positive feedback really, really high, you've got higher chances of gaining the customer's trust. A lot of sellers on eBay don't really care about their feedback anymore. They're selling a lot of low standard items. So if you can make sure you're selling high quality items and customers are very, very happy with the quality, they're more likely to leave you positive feedback. The more you can build up positive feedback and reduce your negative feedbacks, you're going to be able to sell more products within a competitive industry. So bear this in mind, keep your feedback as high as you can. This is very important for you to have long-term success on eBay. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button as it helps me out in a big way, helps out the video in a big way and helps out the channel. I really appreciate that. So just scroll down below right now. Don't forget, hit the like button. Whilst you're there, you might as well hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you don't miss the weekly videos I'm gonna be bringing out, helping you with your eBay and Shopify business. I've got more videos coming out on Shopify real soon, and as you know, more eBay content, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification. Go down below as well, comment what you thought of the video. If you think I'm right, put it in the comments. If you think I'm wrong, also put it in the comments. Let's get a discussion going. Don't forget to add me on Instagram as well. All right, guys, I'll see you next week. Stay safe out there. Peace.